Hi, I'm Colin Howlett, Chief Technology Officer at Vecima. I direct the teams that are hard at work imagining and developing the next generation of cable broadband access and IP video solutions. We are proud to be a leading contributor to the SCTE Generic Access Platform, or GAP, standards efforts. Vecima has been involved since March of 2018, since we believe this initiative represents an important path in the evolution of cable access networks. Vecima believes that open, interoperable access networks are the key to our future industry success as we move towards 10G and deployment of multi-gigabit solutions across many diverse access technologies such as PON, HFC, and wireless. GAP continues the interoperability efforts already proven in cable broadband over the last 20+ years through technologies such as DOCSIS and the new distributed access architecture standards, flexible MAC architecture, and Remote PHY. It extends this base into outside plant node hardware, and the interoperable multi-vendor ecosystem that will result from GAP will ensure that new deployments don't become the closed legacy networks of the past. Cable operator networks are being driven to distributing processing deeper into the outside plant to effectively provide increased speed and lower latency. GAP is needed to help the industry address a number of critical areas in this ongoing distributed access evolution. First, operational consistency. Realizing a scalable, mass deployable platform which can address a variety of use cases including HFC, PON, wireless, optical transport, and edge compute. Second, hang at once. Avoiding the need to change field deployed housings to support evolution in the vendors used or changes in the technology deployed in that location. Third, vendor focus. Reducing the barrier to entry for any vendor who may bring value to the ecosystem by not having to become an expert in all aspects of outside plant equipment. And last but not least, enabling innovation, providing a base platform for the future solutions we haven't even considered, which will deliver rich, connected experiences for users. For Vecima, as a leading and fast-growing supplier of distributed access solutions for HFC and PON, GAP represents multiple opportunities as the ecosystem matures in the coming years. First is interoperability. The standard provides a way to support a multi-vendor environment for the various components within a node platform. Second, a unified node. This provides another platform for Vecima to converge access offerings and also allows integration of both Vecima and non-Vecima solutions in the same node to serve operator needs. Third, supply chain improvements. Component suppliers are able to tap into a wider market through standardization, and we're already seeing multiple subsystem vendors interested in participating in GAP. And fourth, but not last, common management. A key focus in our work in DAA is modernizing the management of cable networks. GAP provides a common mechanism with modern IP interfaces through standard YANG models. This allows for greater visibility and ability to interpret the metrics of the nodes, power, temperature, voltages, in unique ways to help reduce operating cost. Looking forward a decade or more into the future, we certainly envision both GAP compliant and non-GAP nodes not only in our portfolio of products, but also in operator networks worldwide. Vecima is not just talking about GAP, but we are moving the industry forward to that GAP future with the introduction of the Entra EN9000, our GAP compliant node. This will have availability for early customer engagements in 2022. The EN9000 provides a full platform for GAP while supporting 1.8 GHz RF to enable the next generation of HFC access for DOCSIS 4.0. Given early feedback, we expect the EN9000 will help operators move their own goals of GAP deployment forward and foster an ecosystem of suppliers not currently serving the needs of cable operators due to past barriers to entry. I'm very excited to see the first GAP compliant nodes move into the field and fulfill the promise of a universal node platform.